TCL Rayneo X2. Using Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR2 platform, the Rayneo X2 are the first augmented reality glasses that can stand on their own. You can capture and interact with the world around you using their 16-megapixel camera, which is accompanied by a SLAM system and gesture recognition. Among the many features available on the Rayneo X2 are smart notifications, real-time translation, GPS navigation, picture and video recording, and much more. Plus, there's a library full of augmented reality apps and games that will make your time even more enjoyable. With their modern style and feather-light construction, the Rayneo X2 are the perfect sunglasses. With 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, they come with a charging cord and a case. You may control them with your voice or touch, and they work with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can get your hands on the Rayneo X2 on Indiegogo right now for $699 if you act fast. Doppelmayr Garaventa. When it comes to ropeways, cable cars, and ski lifts, the Doppelmayr Garaventa Group is unrivaled on a global scale. It is now the biggest company in the world in this field. It was formed in 2002 when the Austrian Doppelmayr and the Swiss Garaventa AG merged. Ski resorts, urban regions, and tourist sites are the company's specialty when it comes to innovative mobility solutions. In 96 countries, they have installed more than 15,400 units. The unique nature of each project prevents the disclosure of exact system pricing. However, the business reportedly made 946 million euros in sales in 2022 and 2023. Although the exact amount can differ greatly, ropeway systems typically cost between 1/3 and 2/3 as much as traditional transportation methods. To illustrate the point, 45 million Swiss francs was the total order volume for the construction of 4 Funifors and one of the world's steepest aerial tramways on the Schildhorn. Voixatch Smartwatch. An outstanding new product, the Voixatch Smartwatch combines a smartwatch's useful features with those of a smartphone. Designed to keep you connected without the need of your phone, it is the first smartwatch in the world with LTE, GPS, and a detachable Bluetooth headset. With its 1.3-inch AMOLED display and ARM Cortex-A53 CPU, this wearable device guarantees fluid performance and vibrant images. The innovative bezel-mounted Bluetooth earpiece is the focal point of the Voixatch's revolutionary all-in-one design. The bezel detaches with a twist and raise, making it easy to wear in your ear. The 530 mAh battery provides 3 hours of call time, so that you're always prepared for your next call. The smartwatch charges the headset. Voixatch is all about personalization. You may change the bezels to 4 different colors to find the one that suits you best. Kickstarter backers may purchase it for as little as $179. Lithely E-Wagon W1 Pro. When compared to other wagons, the Lithely E-Wagon W1 Pro is distinguished by its electric propulsion. Because it is equipped with a robust motor that is 500 watts in power, this revolutionary device is able to smoothly cross any surface. Whether you are going camping, gardening, shopping, or moving, the Lithely E-Wagon W1 Pro is a fantastic solution for any activity that takes place outside. With a capacity of 200 liters and the ability to carry loads of up to 132 pounds, the Lithely E-Wagon W1 Pro is a vehicle that is both spacious and extremely strong. With no effort, the Lithely E-Wagon W1 Pro can be folded up and placed in your trunk, making it even another alternative that is both compact and portable. An excellent addition that can be attached to the wagon for further functionality is the egg roll folding table that is included in the package. At the current price of $449.99, the Lithely E-Wagon W1 Pro is available for purchase on Amazon. Apple Vision Pro. An innovative technology that revolutionizes personal computing and entertainment, the Apple Vision Pro combines the worlds of virtual reality and augmented reality. With its vast virtual workspace and endless canvas, it's going to revolutionize the way people use their favorite apps. The gadget can also serve as a home theater system, engrossing the user with visual content that can be resized to their liking and delivered with spatial audio. Users may capture spatial photographs and films using Apple Vision Pro's 3D camera, giving their memories more depth. Prices range from $3,499 for the 256GB model to $3,699 for the 512GB and $3,899 for the 1TB. A 30-watt USB-C power adapter and USB-C charge cable are included, in addition to a light seal, a solo knit band, a dual loop band cover, a battery, and a polishing cloth. You may get AppleCare Plus for $499 if you want further protection. YouGot Robotic Kit. Create 7 different robots with just one YouGot Robotic Kit, a revolutionary combination of technology and creativity. With its clever knob block and modular architecture, building and customizing your robots is a breeze. Another option is to use open-source hardware and do-it-yourself parts from third parties to personalize your robots. As a tool for learning, the YouGot Robotic Kit goes beyond being a simple toy. An AI-based computer with integrated central processing unit, graphics processing unit, and neural processing unit chips is included with the primary control through here. You may access all of AI's features, including bionic mobility, speech recognition, gesture detection, and more. Python and the graphical user interface both allow you to build your own models and algorithms. Kickstarter is currently accepting pre-orders for the YouGot Robotic Kit at a price of $256. EcoFlow Blade Robotic. In comparison to standard lawnmowers, the EcoFlow Blade Robotic Mower stands apart. This state-of-the-art technology can scan your lawn, identify obstructions, and plot the optimal path for mowing, thanks to its combination of optical sensors, LiDAR, and GPS. With the additional yard sweeper kit, it can clean up your yard by sweeping away leaves, sticks, and other debris. To top it all off, the EcoFlow Blade Robotic Mower doesn't require any kind of boundary or cable installation. The EcoFlow app makes it easy to establish and change mowing limits from your smartphone. Using the app, you can manage the mower's cutting height, check the battery life, and even trace its whereabouts. The EcoFlow Blade Robotic Mower can climb slopes as steep as 27 degrees, has a large cutting width, and front wheels that can turn in any direction. For a limited time, you can have it for $2,649, or you can get it with the Lawn Sweeper Kit for $3,199. PESA H2 Loco. One innovative shunting locomotive that uses hydrogen fuel cells is the PESA H2 Loco. It is the fruit of PESA's groundbreaking initiative to integrate environmentally friendly technology into railcars, and it is the world's first of its type. With a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour, PESA H2 Loco is capable of pulling trains that weigh up to 3,200 tons. It can run on 650 kilowatt of power for 15 hours before needing to be refueled. The vehicle's driver sits smack dab in the center of the sleek contemporary design, and it comes standard with autonomous driving and anti-collision systems. For shunting operations in green ports and intermodal terminals that do not emit any emissions, PESA H2 Loco is the best option. When it finally hits shelves in 2024, PESA H2 Loco will cost about $5 million. Look no further than PESA H2 Loco if you are in search of an environmentally conscious, dependable, and strong shunting locomotive. Apex Maker X1. The Apex Maker X1 3D printer is capable of curing resin layers with such incredible precision thanks to its high-resolution LCD screen. The purpose of its design is to be utilized in industrial environments. The massive building capacity of 353 by 198 by 400 millimeters allows you to print large objects as well as a large number of smaller models all at the same time. In addition to this, it has the capability of printing at a speed of up to 180 millimeters per hour, which means that you won't have to wait very long to finish your project. You are able to monitor your prints from a longer distance thanks to its high-definition camera, touchscreen, and dual cooling system. It is quite simple to make adjustments to the settings. The Apex Maker X1 is a product that should be considered by everyone who is interested in taking their 3D printing talents to the next level. The early bird bargain on Kickstarter requires a deposit of $3,999. Anker Solix F 3800. Is a versatile portable power station something you're after? You can rely on the Anker Solix F 3800 for all of your backup power needs, whether you own a home, RV, or EV. With an AC output of up to 6,000 watts and a capacity of 3,800 watt-hours, this device is both powerful and adaptable. In addition to storing solar energy, it can power your electric vehicle, run household appliances, and more. You can add as many as 6 expansion batteries to Anker's Solix home power panel, increasing its capacity to 12,000 watt-hours or 53.8 kilowatt-hours, respectively, for longer power outages. A smart app allows you to track and personalize your energy usage, and the Anker Solix F 3800's plug-and-play design makes it easy to use. Additionally, it has a 5-year warranty and is dependable and durable thanks to InfiniPower technology, which guarantees a product life of 10 years. Visit Anker.com right now to get your hands on it for just $3,999. Alarm Stop Sleep. Alarm Stop Sleep makes it seem like it's getting closer to dawn by progressively raising the contrast and brightness of the lights. This will help you stay awake and on schedule with your circadian rhythm. Exposure to summer light before sunrise improves mood, sleep duration, and attentiveness in the morning, according to studies. Instead of the annoying and disruptive sound of a conventional alarm, the gentle vibrations of the Alarm Stop Sleep bracelet will gently jolt you awake at the top of the hour. The bracelet communicates with the Alarm Stop Sleep app on your phone to monitor the length and quality of your sleep. You can see your sleep data and receive advice on how to improve your sleep hygiene based on that. A better night's sleep and a more energized and optimistic start to the day are 2 benefits. There is a time limit on the $199.99 price tag for Alarm Stop Sleep. Aeolus Robotics. The team at Aeolus Robotics creates and sells robots for use in a wide range of businesses and tasks. AEO, their most popular product, is a multifunction humanoid robot with a wide range of abilities, including but not limited to opening doors, controlling elevators, delivering medications, and more. AEO's mission is to improve the lives of individuals all around the globe by making their lives easier and more productive, especially those who are elderly or have health issues. AEO also comes with a convenient mobile app that lets you control and access it from anywhere. Aeolus Robotics provides their clients with adaptable payment options, round-the-clock assistance, and frequent software upgrades. At your service 24 hours a day, AEO is more than simply a robot. It's a dependable and competent companion. Though not officially announced, rumors have suggested that AEO costs anywhere from $50,000 to $70,000 each unit. Airspeeder Crewed Mk4. Aloda Aeronautics Airspeeder Mk4 is the world's fastest hydrogen-electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft when it comes to vertical takeoff and landing acceleration. From a standing start, it can achieve a maximum speed of 225 miles per hour in under 30 seconds. It was designed and constructed in Adelaide, which is located in South Australia. A Thunderstrike hydrogen turbo generator provides the electricity, and it has a range of up to 300 kilometers with it. Because it is built to be as agile as possible at high speeds and low altitudes, the Mk4 is an excellent choice for racing in general. With a takeoff weight of only 950 kilograms, it is also in an incredibly efficient manner. There are plans to hold the first crewed races in the year 2024. The introduction of this groundbreaking technology paves the way for an environmentally responsible future for private air travel. Totem Planter. Using a number of different interchangeable modules, the Totem Planter provides a novel approach to vertical gardening by allowing users to construct their own unique plant tower. You can choose from a wide range of modules, including vertical, horizontal, microgreen, and more, to suit your specific requirements. Less work, less waste, and less mess are the results of the totem planter's use of hydroponic and aeroponic technologies to hydrate plants directly, rather than soil. For optimal plant growth, the Smart Grow bar that comes with the totem planter makes use of horticultural LEDs manufactured by Samsung. Totem is an app that lets you manage your plants' watering and lighting schedules and gives you tips on how to make your plants grow better. In addition, there is an ambient mode that can be turned on for those times when you would like to showcase your plants at night, since it emits a soft and lovely light. Aptera Alpha, 1,000 miles of electric travel, is within the capabilities of the futuristic Aptera Alpha solar electric vehicle. The combination of its lightweight carbon fiber body and aerodynamic design allows it to maximize efficiency while decreasing drag. All three of its wheels are driven by motors that produce 75 horsepower each with a capacity of 42 kilowatt. There's no need to plug it in because the built-in solar panels can provide up to 700 watts of permanent charging electricity. Along with roomy seats and a touchscreen center console, the Aptera Alpha boasts an elegant and roomy cabin. Improved security and comfort are results of incorporating Comma.ai's Open Pilot driver assistance technology. Production is anticipated to begin in 2024, with prices varying from $25,900 to $46,900, contingent upon the size of the battery and the available choices. Embracing a future of sustainable, clean energy, the Aptera Alpha goes beyond being just a car. XEV Yoyo. The revolutionary electric car known as the XEV Yoyo is distinguished by the fact that it makes use of 3D printing technology in its production process, which is a cutting-edge innovation. Microcars are supposed to be compact and lightweight, and this particular model was developed with urban transportation in mind. Because it weighs only 450 kilograms without the battery, it is agile and simple to drive in the hustle and bustle of metropolitan traffic. Located beneath the hood of the Yoyo is a single electric motor that generates 20 horsepower and is accompanied by a battery pack that has a capacity of 10.3 kilowatt-hour. Additionally, the vehicle is equipped with a battery pack that can be swapped out, which provides a convenient solution by decreasing the amount of time spent waiting for a full recharge. When it comes to pricing, the XEV Yoyo begins at roughly €16,990, regardless of whether or not subsidies are included. Microlino Urban. Taking inspiration from the iconic Isetta bubble car, the Microlino Urban is a lovely electric vehicle that pays homage to the past. It has a front door that opens up like a refrigerator and a fabric top that allows you to enjoy the air while traveling through the city. Despite its small size, it is spacious enough to accommodate 2 adults as well as some luggage. With a battery capacity of 6 kilowatt-hours, it has a range of 95 kilometers and can reach a maximum speed of 90 kilometers per hour. LED lighting, interior heating, a sport mode, and 2 screens in the cabin are some of the more available options. Due to the fact that it is a quadricycle, it is subject to less severe safety and emission requirements, which makes it more inexpensive given that its anticipated price is €17,990. The Microlino Urban is an excellent choice for individuals who have a passion for both contemporary technology and vintage fashion. Unity One. The Unity One is an electric vehicle of the future with an ultra-contemporary dashboard and internet access. Ride in style as you explore city streets in this innovative mode. The driver sits in the center of the 3-seat asymmetrical configuration, while the passengers are positioned behind. The vehicle's 67 horsepower electric motor allows it to reach a top speed of 75 miles per hour, with an acceleration time of 9.9 seconds from 0 to 62 miles per hour. There are 2 battery options, one with 12 kilowatt-hours of power and a range of 93 miles, and another with 24 kilowatt-hour of power and a range of 186 miles. The system is compatible with 50 kilowatts CCS chargers, as well as household wall boxes. Included in the features are a head-up display, steer-by-wire technology, and autonomous driving functionalities. The Unity One, with prices starting at $15,100, is a model that shows how urban transportation will be in the future. Squad Solar City Car. Imagine the Squad Solar City Car, a vehicle that does not need a license to operate, is powered by solar energy and can fit into any parking place. With a maximum speed of 28 miles per hour and a battery range of 100 kilometers, this new urban transportation system is a game changer. Using the energy that is generated by its rooftop solar panels, it is possible to power it for up to 31 kilometers each day. The Squad is equipped with a roll cage, safety belts, and a crash framework for the purpose of providing additional safety. The Squad is an excellent choice for use in urban settings, whether it be for commuting, shopping, or simply driving around town at a moderate pace. Having a starting price of $6,250, it provides cheap costs for both operation and maintenance. The Squad Solar City Car is more than just a vehicle. It depicts a way of living that is environmentally responsible in the city. Tazari Zero Max Kubo. An electric vehicle that is built for urban operations that are both sustainable and agile, the Tazari Zero Max Kubo is the electric vehicle of choice for urban workers. It is driven by a motor that has a maximum output of 15 kilowatts and has a capacity of 11.5 kilowatt. The vehicle is capable of reaching a maximum speed of 65 kilometers per hour and can carry a weight of 499 kilograms. With a remarkable range of 312 kilometers, it is an excellent option for commuters who are looking for a dependable vehicle. Adding a touch of sophistication to the urban scene is not the only thing that the Zero Max Kubo is about. It is also about performance. According to the most recent information, the Tazari Zero Max Kubo may be purchased for a total price of €17,400. In terms of urban transportation, this electric car is an excellent option because it exemplifies the ideal combination of efficiency, sustainability, and appearance. City Transformer CT1. One exceptional electric microcar is the City Transformer CT1, which can change its shape to suit different roads and conditions. Topics covered include pollution, parking shortages, and traffic congestion, all of which are issues with urban mobility. Two modes of navigation are available on the CT1, City and Road. When set to City mode, its wheelbase is reduced to 1 meter, making it perfectly capable of parking in extremely small areas and navigating traffic with ease. To add stability and safety when traveling at faster speeds, it can be switched to road mode, which causes its wheelbase to grow to 1.4 meters. It has a capacity of 120 to 180 kilometers and can attain speeds of up to 90 kilometers per h, thanks to its 15 kilowatts electric motor. Adapting to ever-changing urban conditions, the CT1's real-time mode switching makes it an adaptable alternative for modern city life. Arcimoto MUV. A vehicle that is both environmentally friendly and capable of doing a variety of activities, such as delivering goods and getting around town, is the Arcimoto MUV. With a top speed of 75 miles per hour and a range of 102 miles, the MUV is a three-wheeled vehicle that shares its base with the Arcimoto FUV, which is a fun and agile vehicle. Modular and adjustable load areas are included, which enables a variety of bed configurations to be utilized. There are a variety of storage and carrying capabilities that can be switched out in a matter of minutes, and you have the ability to select the carrier, utility, or cargo package that best suits your requirements. The fully electric powertrain reduces the costs of operation and maintenance while simultaneously preventing the emission of any pollutants. Because of its tiny size, parking and navigating urban environments are both made easier. Pricing for the Arcimoto MUV begins at $23,500. Nimbus 1 EV. A vehicle that combines the ease of use of a motorcycle with the security and convenience of a car, the Nimbus 1 EV is a forward-thinking and environmentally conscious automobile. The frame of this electric car with 3 wheels is made of high-strength steel, while the shell is made of thermoplastic. Onboard cameras, artificial intelligence for accident prevention, motorized windows, and air conditioning are some of the modern technologies that are included in this vehicle. Because the vehicle leans automatically in response to the sharpness of the turn, there is a 9 kilowatt battery that can be swapped out, and it has a maximum speed of 50 miles per hour and a city range of 93 miles. A starting price of $9,980 is placed on the Nimbus 1 EV, which is currently available for purchase. For individuals who are looking for a form of transportation that is not only creative, but also environmentally friendly. Honda Navi, one concept vehicle that aims to make better use of privately owned vehicles, which are usually idling for 96% of the time, is the Honda New V, which stands for New Electric Urban Vehicle. When the owner isn't using it, it can transform into an automated rideshare, adding a new value proposition. When electricity demand is high, the New V can actually sell some of the energy back to the grid. This state-of-the-art car comes with HANA, an artificial intelligence system that creates individualized driving experiences by learning from the driver's emotions and previous choices through an emotion engine. It has a storage compartment, 2 seats, a complete touchscreen interface, and an electric skateboard for those last-mile trips. A headerless windshield and a sloping beltline make the New V simple to see and control, listed in the Philippines at around $4,277. It's a great alternative for individuals looking to get into electric vehicles on a budget. Renault Twizy. It is impossible to classify the Renault Twizy, which is an electric quadricycle, because it is a hybrid vehicle that combines elements of a motorcycle and a car. Because of its tiny dimensions, which are 2.33 meters in length and slightly more than 1 meter in width, it is perfect for urban travel. The term Twizy is a combination of the words twin, referring to the 2 seats, and easy, referring to the user-friendly design. Because it has a maximum range of up to 80 kilometers, it is ideal for those who commute within the city. It is quite easy to recharge. All you have to do is plug it into a standard household outlet, and in 3.5 hours, you will be ready to travel another 80 kilometers. Even in confined areas, the scissor doors make it simple to enter and exit the building. The base variant of the Twizy can be purchased in France for a starting price of €7,450. Vimo SE. With the Envo powertrain system motor at its core, the Vimo SE Consumer Edition is the result of years of scientific investigation. It's truly one of a kind, a pedal electric car that is both innovative and unlike anything else available. One could argue that this velomobile, the most functional vehicle in the world, is also the most graceful, lively, and sophisticated. Traveling from A to B is made timely and with 0 emissions, making it an eco-friendly decision. Whether you're on your way to the store or in the middle of your regular commute, the full power riding mode will provide an enjoyable experience. It has 60 liters of inbuilt storage space and a respectable battery life. Using Vimo, commuters may work out on their way home while still arriving at work in a dry and revitalized state. Reduce your carbon footprint and get there faster with this more motivating mode of transportation. Trigo, a fresh take on urban transport. The Trigo is an electric vehicle that blends the advantages of both cars and motorbikes. Its adjustable width is a result of its variable geometry suspension, with a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour and a breadth of 148 centimeters. Trigo is ideal for open highways and thrilling rides. With its compact width of just 86 centimeters in low-speed mode, it can easily squeeze through tight spaces and park without a hitch, reaching speeds of up to 35 kilometers per hour. With its all-electric drivetrain, this green car provides an effective means of navigating congested urban areas. Worldwide patents guarantee that Trigo will remain unmatched in the industry. It's perfect for car sharing, has enough room for 2 persons, and has a rental process that includes customizable settings and convenient parking. Prices for Trigo might vary, but you can expect to pay between $10,000 and $20,000. Eli Electric, represented by the small and environmentally conscious Eli Zero, is a plan for the future of urban transportation. Introducing a 2-seater micro EV that's perfect for city dwellers looking for a cleaner way to make those quick travels. For those concerned with performance, the Eli Zero Lifespano can reach 25 miles per hour and, in ideal circumstances, can go up to 60 miles on a single charge. A completely charged 8 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery can be achieved in around 2.5 hours at 220 to 240 volts or 5 hours at 110 to 120 volt. At a starting price of $11,990 in the USA, the Eli Zero is a reasonably priced electric vehicle that anybody can purchase, making it an accessible option for anyone looking to enter the market. As a result of its small size and eco-friendliness, the Eli Zero is an excellent pick for contemporary city dwellers who are looking to simplify and connect their lives.